I wanted to apologize for that little typo in our video, and when I went back to go and correct it, it didn't quite seem to work out. Well, I guess we can definitely say that this is a learning opportunity for us when we have our class discussion. So we were on the last part of our political geography section, and that's where we were looking at international geographical border disputes. So this is where we can see not only how there are disputes among countries about who claims what territory, who belongs in what territory, and who can govern what territory. But we can also see that when we look over a map like this, that all the lines that are essentially drawn in the sand by different nations and countries, that they claim these territories and places as their own, that these are all invisible boundaries. These boundaries are something that we do not see when we are walking in the middle of the desert and cross over from Mongolia into China, or from the United States into Mexico, or even the United States into Canada. If we don't have signs that the government has created to let us know that we're crossing these international boundaries. And it's these invisible ways that we separate ourselves that do have a large impact on how we view the world and how we view others, which is why geography is so applicable to our daily lives and even the future of where we're going to be, if our country is going to exist, and wars as examples. So, but sometimes we can also even see our visible disputes when we look at walls that are being brought up in our current political climate, and how these walls are physical barriers that we can see that are part of political geography, that they do physically represent a wall to stop people from crossing, but also to be that visual reminder that it's a line drawn in the sand, that this side is my side and that side is your side. And looking at those different political geographical points is what makes this so interesting and relevant to our current political climate. Okay. Today, our learning objectives were: I will define physical geography. We did that at the start of our first video. 2, I'll describe the 2 most common landforms and bodies of water. We did that and we looked at many different examples. 3 is we analyzed several different physical geographical features for a class discussion and saw them visually as well. 4th, we did define what political geography was. In this just prior, we talked about visible and invisible political geographical barriers. And 4th, we analyzed several different political maps for the class discussion tomorrow. We talked about the state map, the world map, and the map that illustrated where and what countries had disputes over territory. Please don't forget to bring your notes with your T-chart tomorrow to come for our class discussion. I look forward to hearing all the feedback you will have and incorporating this new strategy into the future. Thank you and have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.